Tenda RX27 Pro Wi-Fi 6E Router Setup. Step 1. Unbox and place the router. Remove the router and accessories from the box. Place the router in a central, elevated spot for optimal coverage. Step 2. Connect the power adapter. Plug the router into a power source using the provided adapter, and switch it on. Step 3. Connect the internet source. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN port to your modem or internet source. Step 4. Wait for the LED indicators. Allow the router's status lights to stabilize. The WAN light should indicate an active internet connection. Step 5. Download the Tenda app. Install the Tenda Wi-Fi app from the App Store or Google Play for easy configuration. Step 6. Connect your device to the router. Search for the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, on your device, and use the default password provided on the router label. Step 7. Log into the app or web interface. Open the Tenda app or access 192.168.0.1 in a browser to log in using the default admin credentials on the router label. Step 8. Run the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen steps in the app or web interface to configure your internet settings, e.g., PPPoE, DHCP, or static IP. Step 9. Set custom Wi-Fi settings. Create a new SSID and password for better security and easier access. Step 10. Enable security features. Activate encryption, WPA3, and optional parental controls for additional safety. Step 11. Save settings and reboot. Save all changes, and reboot the router to apply configurations. Thanks for watching.